Imagine a world where the rocks are made of rock-hard water ice, and the rain isn't water at all, it's liquid fuel. Welcome to Titan, Saturn's largest moon. It's the only other place in the solar system where it rains, but here, the weather is literally explosive. We've actually touched this world before. In 2005, the ESA's Huygens probe detached from Cassini and descended through the thick smog, sending back our first close-ups.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
It revealed a landscape strewn with rounded ice pebbles, smoothed by fluid flow, confirming that this is a world shaped by liquid, just like Earth. But unlike Earth, there's no oxygen. Today, we're tracking the journey of a methane raindrop in this alien environment. Titan's atmosphere is thicker than Earth's, a nitrogen blanket choked with complex organic smog called tholins. These molecules drift down like orange snow. These tholins accumulate to form vast equatorial dunes, a desert of organic plastic-like sand wrapping around the moon, driven by the weak winds. On Earth, we have the water cycle. On Titan, it's the methane cycle. Because the surface temperature is a bone-chilling minus 179 degrees Celsius, methane, which is a gas on Earth, turns into a liquid. Research from the Cassini mission shows that these clouds build up for years, eventually releasing massive storms that can drench the icy plains in liquid hydrocarbons. Here's where it gets weird. If you stood on Titan, you wouldn't need an umbrella, you'd need a slow-motion camera. Because the gravity is low and the air is thick, raindrops on Titan fall at a leisurely pace and can grow to be half an inch wide. It's like being caught in a slow-motion shower of natural gas. These drops don't just vanish. They carve the landscape. Data published in Nature Geoscience reveals river networks and vast seas of liquid methane and ethane. These rivers carry sand made of organic solids down to the coastlines. It's a landscape that looks hauntingly like Earth, but every single ingredient is different. But the liquid isn't just on the surface. Deep underground, beneath the rock-hard ice crust, Titan likely harbors a global ocean of liquid water. This hidden ocean might erupt through cryovolcanoes, spewing water and ammonia onto the surface, potentially mixing with the surface organics to create a recipe for life. Scientists are obsessed with this cycle. NASA's upcoming Dragonfly mission will head there to see if this methane-soaked world is a laboratory for the building blocks of life. Powered by a nuclear generator, Dragonfly will hop from site to site, exploring the Selk impact crater for signs of prebiotic chemistry in the ice. It seeks not life as we know it, but potentially life that breathes hydrogen and eats acetylene, thriving in the cold dark. Titan is a mirror world, a place where the laws of physics are the same, but the chemistry is alien. It reminds us that habitable is a word with many definitions. If you had to live on Titan, what would be the hardest part for you to get used to? Let me know in the comments, and keep looking up.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.